Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to field strip a 9mm handgun so that you can clean it. Let's get into it. Alright, so first step, take your mag out. Make sure your gun is clear. And you're going to push up on this slide lock while you push it back. Lock it into place. This is the takedown lever. Takes a little bit of force to push it down, and then with either a small pick or a screwdriver, you're going to look on the inside and right in here is going to be a little lever. Most guns it's going to be yellow or green. This one is worn off, but you're going to flip that down. Make sure to be careful, don't force it. Now that you've got that, pull this back until the slide lock releases, slide it forward, and all the way off. This is what you got. You're going to push this in, take your spring out, set it down. Got your barrel, set that down, that's it. You got your slide, it's completely stripped, all taken down. You could further take out trigger module and things like that, but not much powder really gets down inside that. You just spray everything down, rub it real good, run a patch through the barrel, and then you're ready to put it back together. Alright, now we're ready to put it back together. You're going to take your slide, put your barrel in, slide that back, take your spring, set it in, push it down in like that, take the lower part of your gun, line everything up, and then while pushing up on the slide lock, you're going to push it all the way back till it locks. Flip up your takedown lever. You don't have to worry about that little lever on the inside. I'll show you why here in a minute. Let that loose. Take your mag, put it in the gun, and this is why you don't have to worry about that lever. Lock it back open, you'll see that the mag pushes it right back into place. Well, that's how you field strip your Smith & Wesson 9mm. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.